Hey. It said driveway. It said driveway. It said driveway. It doesn't matter. You're not going to hurt the car. It said driveway. I put driveway. But I put driveway so that be alright with them. Yeah, I know. It's going to be alright with them. It's going to be alright because it's on this. Say where? It said driveway. I put it at driveway. What? What? What you going to do? Where you go blood clot though? Where you pussy clot though? Pussy one, go suck your mother. Where you do? Come touch me. I tell that truck you mash you up on you. Come touch me. If you shoot any gunshot in them, I make you go pull me.
It's fucking legal. It's on private property.
This is not private. This is a legal truck. This is a legal delivery truck. I'm going to call the police and tell them I'm going to call the police right now. You're stupid. This is a legal truck. It's a legal business truck. I'm going to call the police. This is a legal truck. I'm going to call the police. I'm going to call the police. I'm going to call them. They can't deliver package and you pull pistol on me.